Are you familiar with mlocate, mlocate package, or locate command? Do you know how this works? Do you know that you can find anything in your machine? If not, this video is for you. This video is part of a series called How To, and here you will see real quick how this works. Let's jump to the video. I have this machine and then I would like to find one specific file and I have no idea where it is. So definitely I can use find, but let's suppose that I would like to use something fancy or smart. And then someone told me about locate. Okay, Wally, locate is not around, so how can I turn this able or available in my machine? First, we need to install the package mlocate. So dnf search mlocate. So let's take a look on this. If we can find this package, I can see we can. So instead of search, let's install. And then -y, we don't want to spend time here. So let's just install the package. There we go. The package got installed. Let me clean up the screen and we are ready to roll. Not yet. Whenever I type locate, where's my file? And yes, this is the file I'm looking for. This is a fancy file. I can see, hey, locate cannot start. And then there is no such database, no such file directory. Yes, if you install and you like to use in a sequence, you need to run updatedb. This is the command. This automatically will do a search in your file system. We'll find all the information, all the files, and we create this database. And now check the magic. Beauty, huh? And hey, Wally, is that file really a file? We can definitely check, and there you go. Now you can think about different files, different configuration files that you may have in your file system. Is that gonna work? Yes. Is that valid only for binary files or executable files? No. You can see this is a regular file. Let me get another one here to you. And this is a nice example. Like, okay, let me locate the file rule.py. Where is this package located? There you go. Once again, you can find a file using find, but this is amazing. Pretty quick, pretty fast. And if you create another file, a new file, keep in mind this one. So let's do this. /home/new file. So let me clean up the screen. If I do locate new file, this will not find the file. There is a cron job that will be executing updatedb daily. Then if you like to force this query, just rerun updatedb and then there you go. Now you have your file. So my personal advice, anytime that you're working your machine and you have no idea if that file was created today or a day before, fear not, you can anytime run updatedb and after that execute the command locate and pass the file name, and then definitely this is gonna help you. Additional bonus here, if we pass new underscore, so check this out. This was able to find new file and also anything containing new underscore, okay? Pretty cool, huh? If this video helped you somehow, don't forget to subscribe. This will help me to keep creating content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe in our Discord channel. We will be glad to have you around. Let me know in the comments which kind of video you would like to see here, like pretty quick, pretty fast in this how-to series. I'm excited to hear from you. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.